Ex-cop dies in Westmoreland crash. This is the YIP verified YouTube channel. It is important for you to like this video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. Now, an ex-cop died from injuries he sustained in a crash in Strathbogie, Westmoreland on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Craig Morgan from a Piper's Corner address in the parish.
Bike man and a car. Really matter. Stunt bike is a good dog. Way back, way front wheel. Come here. Just something.
Reports are that Morgan was driving his motorcycle when it collided with a white station wagon traveling in the opposite direction about 1:30 a.m. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The deceased brother, Michael Morgan, told Observer Online that his brother got along with everybody. You can't dare so have a straight face, noting that he was a jovial person. My head left my body when I got the news of his death, the distraught brother recalled. His brother said he and his deceased brother were playing last night like little children, only to get the sad news of his passing hours later. Him say, hug me up, my little brother, me love you, and say him soon come, he added. Morgan's grandfather, Rupert Guthrie, told Observer Online that his grandson did not deserve such a gruesome death. Me feel sorrowful, he should have never died like that, him gone too soon, shared a distraught Guthrie. Now, people viewers, my condolences to the friends, family and loved ones of Craig Morgan. R.I.P. Now, if you need to listen carefully, you need to understand that this accident happened 1:30 a.m. That before day. You understand? That after midnight. 1:30 a.m. You know, so the road is possibly empty. So, I still can't get why or how him crash. Because less vehicle, you know that go. But for the fact that somebody even capture a video, there so probably was a busy place at that time there. You understand? Probably one local party just don't keep or did a keep or something like that. But somebody snap a video, so people dead there were never involved in the crash. But I could have the crash wake them up out of them bed and them forward out. Whichever way, the man them now stop speed. Whether the car man or the bike man, the man them now stop speed. Because if you just did go a little bit above the speed limit, you could have time to slow down. Him have time to slow down, you have time to slow down. But because somebody or both parties did a speed, and as I hear what the brother is saying in the video, it sound like him did the outside. Or him hear somebody say, the bike man a try to cut off somebody and get him ass pop. Me nah say a man for exactly follow the speed limit them time day and night. That is fucking slow. But you go too fast, bro. Drive at a pace where the vehicle move no, the cycle move no, but not too fast where you can pull back, or at least when you see other cars drive at the speed limit. And when you left out of them reach, you can't go back fast. Yo, Jano. A whole heap of people dead and kill off them family right beside of them just because them a speed. Or kill off people, lick down people on the road because them a speed. Speeding kills, but yet still people are speed. When they not learn. We don't know for sure what happened in a Craig case, you understand? We for just wait upon the police them for push out to them update with more information about what happened. Hopefully them can get some CCTV in the area. Let's see exactly what happened. Now remember, it is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to YIP Verified YouTube channel right now. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.